I just built something that's going to save travel agencies thousands of hours. And corporate travel managers, they're about to stop pulling their hair out over airport transfer pricing. Here's the real issue. You've got Mozio quoting one price, SunTransfers showing another, Uber's API returning something completely different, and your local taxi company using their own weird format. Meanwhile, your client just wants to know the cheapest way to get from JFK to Manhattan at 3 p.m. next Tuesday. This N8N workflow I created changes everything. Picture this. Sarah runs a boutique travel agency in Miami. Every day, she manually checks 5 different platforms to find the best airport transfer rates for her clients. Takes her about 20 minutes per booking. Last week, she implemented this workflow. Now, 3 seconds. Automated. Every quote logged in Google Sheets for her records. The beauty is in the simplicity. You feed it the basics. Airport code, destination address, pickup time, number of passengers, luggage count. The workflow fires off parallel requests to multiple providers simultaneously. No waiting for one API to respond before calling the next. Here's where it gets interesting. Demo mode lets you test everything with mock data first. No burning through API rate limits while you're figuring out the schema mapping. Once you're confident, flip the switch to production mode and watch real quotes flow through. The normalization step, that's the secret sauce. Doesn't matter if provider A calls it total fare and provider B calls it final price and provider C uses amount due. Everything gets transformed into a clean, consistent format. Price, currency, vehicle type, estimated arrival time, same fields, every provider, every time. Now look, I've seen corporate travel departments waste entire afternoons comparing transfer options for executive pickups. One client told me they were spending 15 hours a week on this task alone. After implementing this workflow, they check their Google Sheet, see the top 3 options ranked by price, and make a decision in seconds. The setup takes maybe 10 minutes. Import the JSON template into N8N. Add your API endpoints as environment variables. No hard coding credentials in the workflow itself. If you want Google Sheets logging, connect your account. Test in demo mode first, then switch to production when you're ready. What makes this particularly powerful is the flexibility. Today you're comparing Mozio, SunTransfers, and Uber. Tomorrow you want to add Lyft or a local provider? Just duplicate a provider node, update the endpoint, adjust the field mapping. Done. I've watched travel agencies triple their booking efficiency with this approach. Local taxi dispatchers use it to ensure their prices stay competitive. Corporate travel managers finally have the data they need to negotiate better rates with providers. The optional geocoding step transforms street addresses into coordinates when your APIs need them. The logging captures everything. Timestamp, request details, all provider responses. Perfect for auditing, analytics, or just proving to your boss that you really did check all the options. Every request returns the 3 cheapest options, formatted identically, ready for your booking system or customer portal. No more copy-pasting between browser tabs. No more Excel spreadsheets with outdated prices. Just clean, current, comparable data. The legal considerations are handled through sticky notes in the workflow, rate limits, terms of service, data retention policies, everything documented right where you need it. Here's what one travel tech startup discovered after implementing this. They were losing bookings because their manual quote process took too long. Customers would request a quote, wait 30 minutes for a response, then book elsewhere. Now they return quotes in under 5 seconds. Their conversion rate jumped 40% in the first month. This isn't theoretical. I'm using this exact workflow in production right now. It's handling hundreds of quote requests daily without breaking a sweat. The real magic happens when you combine this with your existing systems. Feed the output into your CRM, trigger follow-up emails with the quotes, build a customer-facing portal that displays real-time pricing. The possibilities expand once you have clean, normalized data flowing automatically. Import the template from the link below and start testing in demo mode today. Join my masterclass on Udemy where I walk through advanced API integration patterns, or book a one-on-one session through Wyzen, where we'll customize this workflow for your specific providers and requirements.